My name is Darren Reed. I help lead the sports and entertainment vertical at Prime Financial. Investing in sports and entertainment is about investing in sporting-based brands, IP, teams, rights that capture fans' attention, loyalty, and passion, and using that attention, loyalty, and passion to generate different sets of revenue rails that help monetize the passion that fans bring to the space. Sport is an intimate part of people's everyday lives. Fathers and mothers turn sons and daughters into lifelong fans themselves. So, you literally have a population of people that create the next population of fans. Being in the space, you've got to be very respectful of that. But it is that passion and that loyalty that has really driven institutional capital into the space. When we say passion, you're thinking of the old way of doing things, right? I've got a lot of cash. I like a certain baseball team. I'm going to go buy it and it's my hobby. That was the way things were 10 to 20 years ago. When we say the platform, what we're talking about is all of the different revenue rails you can construct around that team. If you think about a sports business, there's really three pieces to it. You've got essentially a live entertainment business. That's what happens on the track, on the field, on the court. That's how many people buy tickets on the day, my season ticket holders, food and beverage, how many t-shirts I sell. That's your live entertainment piece. Then you've got your national and hopefully international distribution. Those are your media rights. The deals that you sign with linear television or streamers for people in other parts, other geographies to watch the event that's happening. The last part is the platform. That is, can I have a revenue share on the stadium that I play in so that if there's a concert or a conference, I still get paid? Can I own a piece of the ticketing system that every single time a fan clips the ticket, I get paid? There's all sorts of things that you can do around these brands that have not been done before, and that's why the space is so exciting. Well, what we've seen a trend in the US that is undeniable. We've seen sports and entertainment assets go from passion projects to a proper institutional asset class. We have created a variety of SPVs along the way, single asset SPVs. We are majority owners in an NBL basketball team, the Tasmanian Jack Jumpers, majority owners in a supercars team, Tickford Racing, and these investments have kind of proved the thesis of how we invest in sport in a profitable way. And ultimately the goal is to offer a diversified sports and entertainment fund to the investing community. I think the one thing investors should take away from this is that sports and entertainment as an asset class is fundamentally mispriced. The best example I could give is data centers 10 years ago were priced like a warehouse. You priced a data center on dollars per square foot, like a storage facility where you store cardboard boxes and granny's old furniture. And then when people realized that a data center is a fundamental, critical piece of infrastructure to building out artificial intelligence, quantum computing, Internet of Things, the entire asset class repriced because people realized how important it is. The same thing has happened to sports in the US, and that is coming here. The information in this video is general in nature. It doesn't take into account your specific goals, financial situation, or needs. Please refer to the disclaimer at the end of this video. Please consider whether this information is appropriate for you and always consult a professional before making any decisions.